So today we'll be starting a new, let's say, series where I study something, whereas I studied today Python, and I will just make like a daily report, but internet. So again, studying Python today, and I have studied 1 hour as I will the other days. And today, what I have learned is that first, and very surprising for me, probably the most surprising thing, is that Python is not actually as visual as we see. So Python, when we search like Python programming, we see a very, let's say, I think also it's a beautiful platform where it is very methodic and you can see everything you need to. So there's numbers and lines, and there's on the right and left side um, the projects and the subdos, or subdos in English, I'm not sure, of the projects, and it's very organized and very beautiful really to see different colors for different kinds of code. But actually, this is a visual program to Python, but not Python's not like that. If you start Python, and you might see that there is none of that, but you need when you start Python, what actually how you program, let's say, the real way to program Python is you open the command prompt and you digit Python, and then you enter the Python. That's the, I would say, original way to do it. Definitely the worst way, considering it's much less graphic and it's kind of harder to process everything. It's harder to really type, not type, but to edit your code. But it's a very interesting point. Not just that, now visiting the part of that Python is not actually used much to program softwares, but it's more used in digital security and also into digital security and automation of process. If you want to automate something, use Python, but not exactly if you want to design it, let's say, website. I think Python can be used again for the cybersecurity prospect of it, but not exactly for just programming. So that's very interesting indeed. Not just that, now I'm learning to actually code. So been learning the two codes that I remember, but actually I already did know from a little study a while back, is the print command, which just shows in the screen exactly what you, so for example, say print Matthews, my name. It will just show Matthews when I run the command. And also variables. And you know, I've learned now, at least tomorrow, if definitely we want to learn the type of variables. But if you want quick detail, there are two main types of variables. Three actually, but the two, three. Booleans, where it's yes or no. Let's say math variables, I don't remember the name, so for now let's say math. Where if you take, for example, a number 1 and you have +1 and the variable, it will make 2, so it's logic. And the text one, where you don't contain numbers, but exactly, but you contain text. You can have number text, but if you place two variables, so 1 plus 1 in text variables, it places 11 because it's just the number 1 and the number 1. So, and that's pretty awesome, really. Very cool indeed. So, well, that's it for now. Really cool. If you have anything you want to teach me about Python, please put in the comments. I want to learn Python, of course. Not just that, but of course, sub to the channel. I hope you like your stay. See you until tomorrow, because I will study more Python tomorrow. So, that's it. Bye.